Welcome to the Maths video lecture by Jaini Shah. Today we are going to take the topic Exponents, the basics of exponents and its introduction. What is exponent? When we say exponent, the powers come into our mind, that is 2 raised to 3. Here 2 is the base and 3 is the power. So you can say that, or you can read it as either 2 raised to 3 or 2 cube, or it is an exponential form. Here the answer to it is 2 raised to 3. That means 2 is multiplied 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. That is 8. Moving on to our first question of the exercise. Express each of the following as rational number. So here rational number is expressed as exponentials. What are rational numbers? Rational numbers are the integers in the fraction form where the denominator is unequal to 0. It may be either positive or negative. So here, minus 5 upon 6 raised to 3. That means minus 5 is multiplied thrice as well as upon 6 multiplied thrice. So multiply and get the answer. In the second question, minus 4 raised to minus 4. Here the power is negative. The first thing we have to do in this chapter and the basic step is making the powers positive. Wherever negative powers are given, the first thing you will do is turning it into positive one. Now the question arises, how to turn into positive one? So I'll tell the answer. Here minus 4 is turned into plus 4 by taking the reciprocal of the whole number. Reciprocal means you have to interchange the place of numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. Here nothing is in denominator, so we'll take as 1. So it turns into 1 upon minus 4. Now minus 4 is multiplied 4 times and we get the answer in the positive because the terms are even number. Moving on to next question. Minus 4 upon 5 raised to minus 2. First thing, basic step, turning the power, negative power, into positive one. How? By shifting the numerator to denominator's place and denominator to numerator. That you can directly see the answer. The places are interchanged and the power is becoming positive. So minus 5 into minus 5 upon 4 into 4. Multiply and get the answer. Moving on to next question. Find the multiplicative inverse, that is the reciprocal of a number. Both the names means the same, doing the reciprocals. Here in both the powers 3 and 2, both are in positive form, so we will keep it as it is. We will not make a reciprocal of this number by changing because it is already given in positive, and so we will keep it in positive only. So multiply by the cutting and divide by the cutting method and get the answer. You will get minus 8. Minus 8. Now the multiplicative inverse of the answer we obtain is 1 upon minus 8. So this is our final answer. Next question. 5 raised to minus 2 upon 5 raised to minus 4. Here you can see both the powers are in negative form. So interchanging its place, 5 raised to 2 will go down and 5 raised to 4 will go up. So both the powers turn into positive 1. Now simplify and get the answer. Now its multiplicative inverse will be 1 upon 25. The answer we obtain here is always done the reciprocal. By what number should minus 36 raised to minus 1 be divided so that the quotient is 9 raised to minus 1? So minus 36 raised to minus 1 is divided by what? We don't know the number. So we keep it as x is equal to 9 raised to minus 1. Here, cross multiplication is done, but the first step is making the powers positive by taking the reciprocals. So in both we have taken the reciprocals first, and then by cross multiplying we get the answer. 9 will go this side, 36 will go this side. Or you can do is 9 you take this side and x you take this side. So this becomes 9 upon minus 36 is equal to x. By cutting 9 4s are 36, we get the answer x is equal to minus 1 upon 4. Our next question is simplify 4 square minus 3 square into 7 by 2 whole raised to minus 2. 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9, and 7 by 2. Here again the power is in negative form, so we take the reciprocal and make it positive. 16 minus 9, 7. 2 into 2 upon 7 into 7, 7 7 cut, you get 4 by 7 as your answer. Next one, 6 raised to minus 1 divided by 7 raised to minus 1 whole raised to power 2. Here the internal elements are having negative power. So we will convert only the powers of the internal elements. So we are taking the reciprocal 1 upon 6, 1 upon 7. Now here the sign division is given. Whenever you want to change the sign division to multiply, always you will do is the reciprocal of the number. So here, for changing the sign division to multiplication, here 1 upon 7 that we have obtained is turned into 7. Again the reciprocal is done for changing the sign. And the power 2 remains as it is. Simplify and getting the answer. Next question is, if a is equal to minus 2 and b equal to 3, find the value of the following. 27a square, b raised to minus 3. Value of a is minus 2 and b is 3. Here b has the negative exponent, so we will turn it into positive by taking the reciprocal. So the power becomes positive. Now we will keep the values of a minus 2 and b 3 in these places. Minus 2 into minus 2 4, 3 cube 27. Cut this and get the answer 4. Now the last question of this exercise is showing 3 by 5 raised to minus 1 minus 1 by 3 raised to minus 1 the whole raised to minus 1. Here in this sum we are having 3 negative powers, 1, 2 and 3. But first we will make the internal elements positive. We will take the left hand side term. This is our right hand side, and we have to prove LHS is equal to RHS. So in the left hand side, our first step will be making the internal elements power positive by taking the reciprocal. So here the reciprocal is taken. Here also the reciprocal is taken. 1 upon 3 becomes 3 by 1 and 3 by 5 becomes 5 by 3. Now 5 upon 3 minus 3. Take the LCM. 5 minus 9 upon 3. Still the power, outside power, negative. It has not gone. It has remained the same. we have not taken the reciprocal yet. So here 5 minus 9 is minus 4 upon 3 raised to minus 1. Now here we will take the power negative into and change it into positive 1. So taking the reciprocal of this step, we get minus 3 upon 4, which is our answer. And that is also our right hand side. So it is proved left hand side is equal to right hand side. Thank you so much and stay tuned for the next exercise.